Previous class we have completed A, B, C in fifth bit. So let us continue that same bit. So let us start from D. What is that D? 808 and 808. So here two periods are there. Each period is having 3 digits. So if every period is having 3 digits, then it will come under international system, no? So this will come under international system. So what is the number name? 808 808,000 808,808. Okay. So E 600,000,000. So here you are having 2 periods. In each period you are having 3 digits, 3 place values. So this will also come under international system. Okay. So what is the number name? 600,000. Next, F. So this number 9,00,30. Okay. So in one period you are having three digits. In one period you are having 2 digits. So in one period you are having 1 digit. So like this, in which system it will be there? It will be there in Indian system. Okay. So what is the name of this number? 9 lakh. Number name is 9 lakh. Okay. Next one, G. Okay. So what is the next one? What is the next number? So next number is G. 91, 21, 555. So in first period you are having 3 digits. Next period you are having 2 digits. Next 2 digits. So this will come under Indian system only. Indian system. Okay. So what is the number name? 91 lakh 21,000 555. So this is the number name. Clear? 91 lakh 21,555. So we have completed up to G. So next we will continue. Okay. H. H is 3,604, 879. So what is the system? Here in each digit you are having 3 place values. So this is international system. Okay. What is the number name? Number name 3,604,879. Okay, this is the number. Next, I. 67 478 214. Okay, 67478 214. So in first period you are having 3 digits, in second period also you are having 3 digits. Okay, so this is international system only. International system. What is the number name? $67 million, sorry, 67,478,000 214. So this is the number name. Okay, next one, J. 87108 Okay, so what is the system? This is Indian systems. See, in one period there are 3 digits, but remaining periods you are having 2 digits. So what is the number name? 8 crore 71 lakh 8,71,08,000 413. Okay, so 8 crore 71 lakh 8,413. Last 3 to end this bit. Okay, last 3 are there, so that is for your homework. Clear? Up to J I have said, last 2 are there, K and L. Those 2 are for your homework, so that we can go to the next topic. Okay, we have completed exercise 1.1. in next class I will say the answers for your homework also. So place value of large numbers, this is the next topic. Okay, in which page it is there? Page number 78. Okay, so what he has given here, read the statement in bold letters. The place value of a digit is the value of digit because of its place in a number. What is this? Already we have discussed this. The place value of a digit is the value of a digit because of its place, because of its place in the number. So what is this sentence is telling you? This is a bold letter statement I am writing. The place value of a digit, place value. What is this word saying? Place value. The value of the digit because of its place in a number, means the value of the digit will change when the place of the digit is changing. So see here, 672 is a number. For example, I am saying 672 is a number. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So 6 is in which place? We are talking about 6. Okay, 6 is in which place? Hundreds place. What is the place value? Digit into its place. This is equal to 600 is the place value. Okay, 600 in 672 the place value of 6 is 6 into 100, 600. So let us see here, 762 is there. So here this is in ones place, this is in tens place, this is in hundreds place. Here also we will talk about 6 only. 6 is in which place? Tens place. So what is the place value? Place value. So this is also place value. Place value of what? 6. Okay. So place value of 6 is what here? 6 is in which place? Tens place. So 6 into 10, 60. So if the place of the digit is changing, the place value is also changing or not? So in the number, if the place is changing, so here first 672 is there. So afterwards I have changed the place of 6. Here it is in hundreds place. Here it came to tens place. So if the place is changing, the place value is also changing. Here the place value is 600. Here the place value is 6. So 60. So 660. Okay. So according to the place value is also changing. So what it is telling? The place value of a digit. Here we are talking about 6 now. So the place value of a digit is the value of a digit because of its place in the number. So what is the place value means? Place value means it is the value which comes with the place of the digit. If 6 is in hundreds place, the place value will become 600. If 6 is in tens place, the place value is becoming 60. So the place value of the digit will change according to the place in the number. Okay, in which place it is there. For that place, what is the place value? It will come. Okay, so this is depending on the place, the value of the digit will change. That is the place value. If it is in tens place, you will get into 10, that digit into 10. If it is hundreds place, you will get that digit into 100. That will be the place value. According to the place of the digit, the place value will change. So that's why the value of the digit is depending on the place in the number. Okay, so just now we saw 672 and 762. Here the value of 6 is, place value is 600. Here it is 60. Why? Because here it is in hundreds place, here it is in tens place. So according to the place value is changing. So it is depending upon the place of the digit in the number. That is called the place value. Clear? So here let us see. So here he has given one paragraph. Find out which period the digit 2 belongs in the numeral 83294603 according to the Indian and international place value systems. So the place value will be you have to find out according to the Indian system and international system. So let us see. 8329 4063. This is the number. So he is asking to find out about the place value of 2 in Indian system, in international system, for 2. Okay, so if you want in Indian system, you have to separate all the periods according to the Indian system. So after 3 digits 1 comma, after 2 digits 1 comma, after 2 digits 1 comma. So this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. This is this is thousands place, this is 10,000s place. Okay, this is lakhs place, this is 10 lakhs place, this is crores place. So 2 is in which place? Lakhs place. So what is the place value? 2 into place value of 2 equal to 2 into, in which place it is there? Lakhs place. So 2 lakhs is the place value of 2 in Indian. This is in Indian. So in international system also I will write. International system. In international system, 83294063. So let us see. So in international system, how we will separate? After 3 digits 1 comma, after 3 digits 1 comma, after 3 digits 1 comma, well, like that we will keep, because here only 2 digits are there, we will leave it like that only. So here this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. In international system I am talking about. Okay, this is thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Okay, 2 is in 100,000s place. Okay, so 2, place value of 2 equal to place value of 2 equal to 2 into 100,000. Okay, so what is the answer? 200,000 is the answer. These two are equal. Why? Only the representation in Indian system and international system is only changing, but the value of the place value is equal. We will call this as 2 lakhs in Indian system. The same number we will call as 200,000. 200,000 in international system, but 2 lakhs and 200,000 both are same. Okay, so that is what he is telling. Okay, so next one also he give next example. So what he is ultimately saying, according to the place, depending upon the place only, the place value is getting. Okay, we are getting the place value. If 2 is in hundreds place, you will get place value as 200. If 2 is in thousands place, you will get 2000 as the place value. Okay, so depending upon the place only, you are getting the place value. So what you have to understand, the place value you will get according to the place in which the digit is there in the given number. Clear? So next example he gave is, we have to find out the place value of 4 in the number 3, 42, 33, 870. So this is, he has already given this in Indian system only. So you have to just find the place value. So this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands, TTH 10,000, this is lakhs, this is 10 lakhs. So 4 is in which place? Place value, no? Place value of 4. 4 is in which place? 10 lakhs place. 4 into 10 lakh. What is the place value? 40 lakh. 40 lakh is the place value of 4 in the number 3 crore 42 lakh 33,870. Okay. So now we shall move to the next topic. Okay. So what he is telling ultimately, according to the digits place, the place value will be there. Okay. If it is in hundreds place, you will get that digit into 100. If it is in thousands place, you will get the digit into 1000 as the place value. So depending upon the place only, place value will be there. Okay. So here he has given larger and smaller place values. Clear? Larger and smaller place values. To move up to larger place values, in a place value chart, each place value is successively multiplied by 10. Each place value is successively, just a minute, each place value is successively multiplied by 10. Okay, what he is saying, to move up to larger place values in place value chart. Okay, in place value chart, if you want to move up to larger place values, each place value should be multiplied by 10. So you are in hundreds, you want 1000 place value, so 100 into 10 you will get 1000. You want 10,000, 1000 into 10 you will get 10,000. So successively you have to multiply with 10 to go to the larger place values. Okay, that's what he is telling. So let us discuss this. Okay, so let us see. 1 is in ones place. Okay, 1 into 10, this is tens. Okay, so next, to get 100, what you will do? 1 into 10 into 10. So this will become 100. Okay, next you want thousands. 1 into 10 into 10 into 10, then you will get thousands. So to get 10,000s, what you will do? 1 into 10. So these are 3 tens now. One more 10 you will multiply. You will get 10,000s. Okay. So here nothing is there. From ones place, if you want to go to tens place, you have to multiply with 10. Okay. So these two are in tens place. So for the tens place, you are multiplying with 10, again 10, you will get hundreds place. So here up to here it is 100 into 10, you will get 1000. So up to here it is 1000 into 10, you will get 10,000. Like that it will go on. Okay. So he has given here, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks he has given. So let us try to solve them. Fill in the blanks. Okay. First one is what? 1 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So what is that he has given? 10,000s. Just if you know the multiplication you can write. Okay. Second one, 1 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So he has given 5 tens. Okay. So if you multiply 10 into 10, what you will get? 100. How to do? So here first digit is what? 1. So 2 zeros. 0 0. This is a trick. If you want to do 100 into 10, what you will get? So 1 ones are 1. How many zeros are there? Here 1 and 1 both are same. Okay. If it is like that only you can do. 1 is there here, 1 is there here. Remaining are zeros. 0 into here 2 zeros are there, here 1 0, 3 zeros. Okay. Here 1 1. 1 into 1 1. So how many zeros are there? 3. So if this multiplication is only applicable to what? Similar numbers, means 20 into 20, what you will get? 2 2s are 4. Okay. Next, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros, 400. Okay. So 20 into 80. So similar numbers which is having zeros. So here in place of 2 you are having 8. Here you are having 2. Here you are having 8. 8 2s are 16. So here 2 zeros are there. Like that you can multiply. Okay. For similar type of numbers which are the multiples of 10, you can multiply like this. Okay. So this is 10 into 10, 100. Here 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 100, how much? So 1 ones are 1. 1 2 3 4, 4 zeros. So you got 10,000. 10,000 into 10, how much? So up to here you are getting 10,000. 10,000 into 10, how much? 1 ones are 1. How many zeros you are having? 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Clear? So what is the answer? Lakh. Okay. Like that you have to write the place values. Okay. So next one. Third one is one more 10 is added. One more 10 is multiplied. 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Okay. Up to here it is lakhs. Okay. Up to here it is lakh. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 tens are there. 1 lakh. Up to here is 1 lakh. We got lakh, no? So lakh into 10, what you will get? 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs place value. Okay. So next one, fourth one. So one more 10 is added to 10 lakhs. 1 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So up to here it is 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs into 10, what you will get? 1 crore. Okay, C. So last one is there. Last one. Okay. Fifth one. 10 billion. It is a 10 billion divided by 1 million equal to how much? He is telling. Equal to how much? 10 billion by 1 million. 10 billion means how much? So this is 10 billion, no? This is ones, this is thousands, this is millions, this is billions. Billions, millions, thousands, ones. Okay, divided by 1 million. 1 million means 1, comma 0, 0, 0, comma 0, 0, 0. So what is the answer he is asking? Okay. 10 billion divided by 1 million. So 1 0 1 0 cancel, 1 0 1 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. Okay. So 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. So what is the answer? 10,000. Okay. This is the answer. Clear? So if you are dividing 10 billion by 1 million, you will get 10,000. Okay. So you are having a doubt. Okay. So if you are multiplying 10,000 to this, into 10,000, what you will get? Let us see. 1 into 1, 1. How many zeros are there? 3, 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So here you are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 zeros here, 10 zeros here. This is a 11 digit number. This is also 11 digit number, no? So like that you are solving. Okay, clear? So with this we have completed the fill in the blanks, and in next class we will continue the same bit. Okay, thank you.